Hi, I'm going to do an application of solving a system of equations, and it's going to give me two equations. In this one, we have one number is 2 less than the second number, and we have twice the second number is 17 less than 5 times the first. And we want to find the two numbers. First of all, since we have two numbers, we're going to have both an x and a y. And for the x, let's let that be the first number. And the y, let's let that be the second number. And you can choose either way, it doesn't matter. So each of these sentences gives us an equation, and we want two equations here. So the first sentence says one number, so that's going to be the first number. So we're going to put x there. And I just do this directly from the words. Is means equals. This part 2 less than something, that kind of kicks to the end because we're going to subtract 2 from whatever that second number is. So we're going to subtract 2 from the y, the second number. So we get y minus 2. Now on the second equation, we have twice the second number. Well, twice something means 2 times, and in this case the second number, so that's 2 times y. And then is equals. And 17 less than this 5 times the first. Well, 17 less, we're going to be subtracting 17 from 5 times the first number, which we can write as 5x. So that becomes 5x minus 17. Now, the next step is since we have our two equations, we're going to use the substitution method. So in this case, in the first equation, x equals this y minus 2. So we're going to substitute in the second equation for x this y minus 2. And you'll need to use parentheses. So we have 2y equals 5, and instead of x, we're going to substitute y minus 2. And then we have minus 17. Okay, so let's solve. So we're going to distribute in the parentheses, so that gives us 2y equals 5y minus 10, and then we have, because 5 times 2 is 10, and then minus 17. Now let's combine like terms. We have 2y equals 5y, and then minus 10 minus 17 is a negative 27. The next step, we want to get the y's on the same side, so I'm going to take them to the left. So I'm going to subtract this 5y to the left side here. So 2y minus 5y gives me a negative 3y. And 5y minus 5y is 0, so we have just a negative 27 on the right. And to solve for y, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. So negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1, so that just leaves us with y. And negative 27 divided by negative 3 is a positive 9. Now that just gives us the y. So you can choose either of the original equations to find x. I'm going to use this first equation because we know x equals y minus 2. Well, we know y is 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So our answers are 7 and 9. I hope this helps.